I accept that I am fully responsible for this ridiculous act of stupidity.
And if I die, it's his fault.
It's my fault.
Sorry, Mom.
It's not Cinnamon's fault. It's not the fact that he wants to do it.
Chris
it's
is
me.
my all-time hero.
Alright, we're done.
Put it on YouTube.
Okay?
No, I'm not okay.
No, this is so stupid.
You go first.
3, 2, 1,
Both at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Do it!
Okay, go.
Do it!
Go.
Do it!
You go first.
Do it! No, both together. You're chicken out.
Go.
You go first, I'll do it.
No, go.
Come on.
When does it go?
You kidding me? Go.
Hey, we're gonna.
Do you want to do it or not? 3, 2, 1, go.
I think that's a failed attempt at that.
Whoa! Whoa! That's insane! I didn't know what that.
Oh my God! It is.
Throw up, please. He's so close. He needs a little encouragement.
I swallowed half of it. Like,
Swallow it. Swallow it.
it's still in my throat.
It will be for a while.
What was it?
At first, it tasted like.
Stinks like cinnamon out here now.
Oh,
What did it taste like?
that wasn't so bad.
It tasted. At first, it tasted like flour.
Yeah, it just sort of everything in your mouth goes right instantly and it burns. That was so stupid. I want to do it again. Pretty gross. I knew I wouldn't die. I need to go another. I'm gonna be
We'll
sick.
do it after and interview later. On the way home. What time is it now?
Hey, show him what we just said.
Oh, the cinnamon.
Have you heard of it? It's so hard, right?
Makes you gag and throw up. Disgusting.
Hey, doctor!
I can still feel it in the back of my nose.
Itching in my throat.
Oh, we should be in here, should we? Well, that's enough footage for my YouTube. Challenge Chris. I'm gonna make like a brand out of that. It's gonna be fun. I'll get famous doing stupid things on YouTube. Jumping out of planes and snorting string and
It's
stuff.
in my throat.
I like this song.